नमस्ते दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है मेरे YouTube चैनल वी लव कंप्यूटर्स में। मेरा नाम सरबजीत सिंह है। आज की इस वीडियो में हम स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर्स इन पाइथन। तो सबसे पहले जो सिंपल असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर, दैट इज सिंपल इक्वल साइन, दिस इज कॉल्ड सिंपल असाइनमेंट। नाउ व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ दिस सिंपल इक्वल असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर इज दैट it is used to assign the value from right side to the left side variable. You can see the example here. Example, x is a variable. After x I have written equal to, and then I have written 10. So 10 is on the right hand side and x is a variable which is on the left hand side. So in between I have typed equal to sign. After that we can print the value of variable x using print function. Now let us do one practical. Let us start Python. File, we will start a new file. Now let us write x is equal to 10, print function. Now let us save this simple program. Save as, stop Python programs. Make sure you add the extension .py after filing. Save this program. Now let us run this program using fi function key. Now you can see the value of x is 10. Here you can see I have declared one variable x. The name of the variable is x, and after equal to sign I have put 10. Now with using print function I print the value of x. So the value of x you can see in the output window, that is the value of x is 10. So this is how we use simple assignment operator. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, subscribe my channel, hit the like button and share it. Thanks.